Today in front of me I have Honor 70, and in this video I would like to demonstrate that you can download and install the Fortnite game on it. So first of all, connect your device to the Wi-Fi, then open Google search, type in the Fortnite APK query. Among the search results, look for the official epicgames.com website, then go for it. Once the web page gets loaded, go for the download the app from Epic Games option or link that is in blue. Then confirm that you would like to download the file. Download anyway. That's the Epic Games Launcher installation file. So upon downloading it, just go ahead and open, then install, then launch the Epic Games. After that, tap on the black get button in front of a Fortnite, then on the yellow install button, and now we'll wait for it to, well, get download first. Already, once the necessary files get downloaded, and prior to installing the game, we have to allow Epic Games Launcher to install unknown apps, which you can do by turning the switch on. Now finally confirm the Fortnite installation. Wait until said installation will be completed. Now you can just go ahead and open the game, and all that it's left to do for you is to wait until it will download and update all needed resources and files. And after that you will be able to start playing, well, Fortnite obviously. Alrighty, so that would be it. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.